Hi everybody, so today we're going to take a look at the NiteIze DoohicKey QuicKey Tool. You can have a bottle cap opener, serrated edge, scoring point, slotted or number 2 Phillips driver, or a file. On the back, it'll show you basically what you could do and how to use the items. There's not much inside, it's really just an advertisement for its other products. So let's take the key out. All you have to do is just cut the zip ties. And here's an up-close shot of the key. The first test is a bottle cap opener. It wasn't too difficult in opening. You just needed the hook to catch. As a warning, it does make a dent on top of the bottle cap, so if you're collecting these, this tool may not be the best choice. Let's test this on string with the serrated edge. The first one is a braided thread. It took a couple of passes, but it did cut through. The edges aren't too clean, but it's good enough. The next one's more of a shoelace type material. It did that in one shot. The final material we have is more of a thread. It was able to do that in one shot also. A little fray on the edge, but not too bad. Next is the packaging tape. The trick with packaging tape is just get it near the serrated edge. This tool also cuts cardboard and plastic. It makes quick work of the cardboard once you get past the initial breaking point. With the tool, I could effectively cut out pieces without much of an issue. You can also use it cut out coupons on cardboard-like material. You just have to apply pressure, but it does it pretty well. On the magazines, it does require some finesse. You have to use the scoring point for it. Because if you push down also too hard, it'll start to rip the paper. But it still works. The key is to apply even and gentle pressure. Enough to cut through the paper. After that, you can pop it out with your hand. This tool makes ransom notes very easy to make for magazines. Another annoyance I have is my travel carry-on case. The screw seems to love to pop out all the time. So while I'm traveling, sometimes I want to screw the screws back in. This tool makes it possible, but it doesn't make them super tight. I wouldn't want to be hanging drywall with this tool. I haven't figured out what to do with their file. So for this tool, it's under $5. As an everyday carry tool, it's pretty useful. I wouldn't want to use this to replace any of my daily tools. But out when I'm traveling, in a pinch, when I don't have anything else, this is definitely worth having. The size makes it very convenient to carry, and it's very easy to get through security without much hassle. And again, under $5, it's a great value. When you get a chance, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.